Lavelle.
Oh!
Somebody, oh!
He needs some milk.
What's up, ZC Squad? It's your boy ZC, and I am back again with another freaking video. So before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell beside so you get a notification whenever I upload a video.
Let's get it.
So today, y'all, I'm gonna be doing oh my god, these dogs. I'm gonna be doing what the thing called? Rating my Instagram followers from 1 to 10, and I'll be eating because I was finna eat, but I was like, let me go ahead and eat in the video because I was finna eat before I made the video, and then I gotta go back in the house and do my work. So let's get into the video. The first person gonna be, oh yeah, I wrote down damn sticky notes. There's a lot of people. It's like 23, 25. It's like 23, 25. I gotta remember to sit back so I can see. It's like 23 or 25 people, I think. I'm gonna have a picture beside it, beside one of them. Yeah. The first person is Big Woods, and I'm gonna rate her an 8. An 8 out of 10. Next person, Kaya. Dang. I'm gonna get Kaya. She on my knees, how y'all can see her. I'm gonna get Kaya at 8 too. Yeah. I miss all of them in school. Hopefully they go back to school too, cause I'm going back to school, so I can see them. Naya, my cousin Naya. I'm gonna give my cousin Naya a 9. She hurt her leg, y'all, at the game. Super. So hopefully she get back well soon so she can dance in the stands and stuff. Next person we got is Nisha. YALL. Wait, she changed her name. Yeah, she changed her name. What is it? Cash Kid. I'm gonna give Nisha a 9 too. Tall tail. I hate eating bread and it gets stuck at the top of my gum. Feel like I ain't got no teeth. And I don't know if y'all can hear me, but if y'all can hear me, I make the audio louder when I edit it. Well, I'll start the initial. Kira. By the way, I really don't like this drink. The only drink I really like for it is Sprite. But my next person is Kira, my daughter. I'm gonna Kira at 8. Y'all probably like, slow down, but this the first thing I ate today. But I just got up too, like not too long ago. I brushed my teeth, brushed my face, got my camera. I had the tripod and I tried to set it up like farther back, but y'all can see like the table and the food and stuff. So I had put it right here on this thing. But Kira, I'm gonna get Kira an 8 out of 10. Next person, my best friend, Tanaya. Y'all, she hadn't been coming to the game, so I ain't see her yet. The only people I seen that name yet was Naya and Kira. They're the only 2 people I seen so far during this this stuff. I can't say it on YouTube. Y'all, this video be long. I did like 5 names already on 5 minutes. Well, it ain't gonna be 5 minutes, y'all, cause I gotta edit. But Next we got, how I said Tanaya a 8. I said a 8. I think I said it already. Nala. I seen Nala too all the time, every game. Nala, I keep forgetting to sit back. Nala, she a 8 out of 10. She's so nice when she wanna be. Next person, Ashley. Ashley have been coming to the game, so I miss her too. But she a 9. Ashley, I feel say her last name. But she a 9. I miss her. She got like 50 jobs. Quick, then go to another one. This one I can't. Next. See, look, I'm on the second sticky note and I got 4. Next, we got Tequila. I seen her at the, what is it called? Homecoming thing. She was doing for the homecoming maid. Tequila 8 out of 10. Next person I got Crybaby / Tyranny, but I don't call her Tyranny. Everybody else call her 8, I call her Crybaby. She a 10. Yeah. 8 look like a little, what she look like? She look like a life-size Barbie doll. And that's crazy because that's an Instagram name. That's an Instagram. Oh, we need nothing on my plate. Instagram name. Next we got Jazz. I think Jazz moved. Yeah, she moved. Yeah. I think she moved too. I ain't gotta say all that, but she moved. She I'm gonna get Jazz 8.5. Out of 10. Okay. Right there. Oh, Jazz 8.5 out of 10. Next we got Maya. She at 8. Damn, I need to move faster. It's almost 10 minutes. Maya 8 out of 10. Tootie. She a 9. That's a 9 out of 10. What is that? Oh, Dominator. She just graduated. I put her as a 8 out of 10. Next we got Big Hines. I just seen her too at the homecoming thing. 8 out of 10. I mean, not an 8, 8.5. 8.5, whatever. Okay, 2 more to go. Jakayla, the one that left. A 9 out of 10. Michaela Foskey. Ooh, I'm going fast. I'm gonna have to put them pictures on the screen too. Michaela Foskey, 8.5 out of 10. Next we got, Next we got Nivea, my cousin. A 10. Nia Stotts, cheerleader, 9 out of 10. Next we got Malaysia. 8.5. 8.5. 9. 9.5. 10. Dang, you know. Next we got Dale. Yeah, Dale's so funny. But dang, I can't. They are a 10. They are a 10. They are a 10. Sound like a pen. They are 10. Next, 99. Where I put? Oh, 998. 99. No, it ain't 99. It's 99. Wait. 99. Wait. 99 is the one in my grade. Wait. She ain't in my grade. Wait. I think this one named whatever side she on. I think this one. No. Wait. I think it is no. It's no. Like, oh, no. It's no. The other one is 99. This one, no. Like, bring me that food. No. She's a nice person though. Next we got Taya. Taya, I don't know what side she gonna be on. She gonna be on one of them. But, cause sometimes the camera be flipped, so if I point down here, it really gonna be on this side. But if I point right here, it's really gonna be on this. I don't know. But Taya, that's she an Instagram baddie for real. Or 9. She an Instagram baddie for real. I'm telling you. Not in Vietnam. Nevaeh, I forgot how this round. It's a Veil song. Nevaeh, I forgot. But Nevaeh, an 8 out of 10. Lightning.
That's good.
8 out of 10. Last but not least, drama. I will put the edit right here, but I don't feel like going to find it, so. Wait. Rocky. 9. Rocky or, I don't even know her first name. I be saying Rocky. Oh, Raquel. 9. That's the same two people, by the way. Rocky and Raquel are the same people. 9. I said same people. Same person. Stop looking at me, making me drop stuff. This video done. My stomach hurt. So, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. My Instagram gonna be down here somewhere. Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that subscribe button. If your subscribe button is red, you're doing something wrong. Your subscribe button should be gray. See, that's what ZC Squad out. Peace.